So here is a whole section of Dicapac accessory. I'm gonna show you how to assemble them together. So first of all, let's take this waterproof pouch.
Shit. Give me a second.
Open from here and open through here. And then just have a look where is your camera hole, and then make sure you put it in the right part. So your camera is working fine over that little corner. Then try to squeeze out the air and then close this part tightly. Roll it back, 1, 2, 3, and then attach both of these two parts onto this tightly. We highly recommend you to put this little device into a bucket of water for testing before you're using it. Now for this selfie stick part, we need a opener for that. So when you open this package, it comes with a selfie stick. Use a manual and one universal amount. So what you need to do now is remove this part. Take out this. That is for another use. This is for what we usually use for all the universal case. So over here we've got a removable spring little holder thing. So what we need to do now is put this into here. And then this is your waterproof selfie stick.